Today we will discuss about the advisory on payment of pre-deposit while filing the appeal before the first appellate authority. Sometimes taxpayer voluntarily pay the some amount during the investigation stage using the DRC-03. Later, when the taxpayer wants to file an application against the demand order issued after the investigation, they require to pay pre-deposit to the appeal. However, many taxpayers complain that GST portal still asks them to pay the pre-deposit amount even when they have already paid more than the required amount through the form GST DRC-03. When the demand order, for example DRC-07, is issued to the taxpayers, or demand ID is created in Part 2 of the Electronic Liability Register on the GST portal. If the taxpayer makes the payment using the payment towards the demand functionality on the portal, the amount is automatically adjusted against the demand ID in the register. However, the payment made through from form DRC-03 are not linked to the demand ID and therefore do not appear as adjusted against the demand in the liability register. While filing an appeal by the taxpayer, the GST system auto calculates the required amount to be paid and checks whether any amount is already paid by the taxpayer against the demand ID and the tax liability. If such amount is equal to the greater than the amount required, then the portal will allow the taxpayer to file the appeal without prompting for further payment. Portal will show the below message if the required amount is already paid by the taxpayer. If such amount is lesser than the required amount, then the portal mandates the taxpayers for the payment of balance payable. Pre-deposit payment made through the DRC-03. As explained earlier, any payment made through the form GST DRC-03 is automatically recognized with GST system against any specific demand ID. Therefore, such payments are not considered by the system while calculating the pre-deposit amount required in filing an appeal. To ensure that the payment made through form DRC-03 is counted against a particular demand order, the payment must be linked with the respective demand ID by filing form GST DRC-03A on the GST portal. For filing form GST DRC-03A enables the payment made through DRC-03 to be mapped to the corresponding demand order, and the entry for the same becomes available in the electronic liability register. Consequently, at the time of filing an appeal, the system will recognize the payment made through the DRC-03 against the DRC-03A and will not require the payment to any additional amount again while calculating the mandatory pre-deposit. Accordingly, the taxpayers are advised to file form GST DRC-03A to link the payments made through the form DRC-03 with the relevant demand order before filing an appeal wherever applicable. To know how to link any demand ID with a particular form GST DRC-03 through form DRC-03A, please refer the manual in the available GST portal. This is the manual. We will just check it out how the manual, what the manual is saying about the just adjusting the payment which is already made through GST DRC-03 and which will be adjusted against the form GST DRC-03A. Intimation of payment made voluntarily or made against the so-called notice or statement of intimation of taxpayers ascertained through form GST DRC-01A, intimation of voluntary payment. How can I make the payment against the liability based on the self-ascertainment of tax on ascertainment of tax by the officer? To make the payment against that liability, tax, interest and penalty based on the self-assessment of tax and on assessment of tax by tax officer for following steps. Access the GST portal. GST home page is displayed. Log in to the GST portal with the valid credential. Click services, user services, my applications. Select the intimation of voluntary payment DRC-03 from the application type drop down list. Click the new application button. The intimation of payment made voluntarily or made against the so-called notice statement intimation of tax ascertained through DRC-01A page is displayed. The following options are available in the drop down for selection under the cause of payment: annual return, audit, investigation, enforcement, intimation of tax ascertainment through form DRC-01A, mismatch between GSTR 2B and GSTR 3B, mismatch between the GSTR 1 and GSTR 3B, reconciliation statement issuance after SCN statement but before the issuance of order, scrutiny before the issuance of the SCN or statement, voluntary paper orders. Intimation of the voluntary payments can be saved at any stage of the completion of the for maximum period of 15 days. If the same is not filed within 15 days, the draft will be purged from the GST database. To view your saved application, navigate to services, user services, my saved application, select the cause of payment from the drop down list, and in case of audit, select the audit in case of cause of payment filed, and select the communication reference number from the list of reference number ADT01, ADT03, and communication issued against the taxpayers. Issue date, financial year from and financial year to filed will get auto populated, and select the section number from which the drop down list. In case of investigation enforcement, select the processing reference number from the drop down list and ID for enforcement cases created against the taxpayers, and date application and will be auto populated. Select the financial year from and from to drop down list. Select the section number from drop down list. If the tax period is chosen prior to 1st April 2024, and the following screen will display it. This is all these are the section numbers under which we have to select, and the system will show the case of enforcement of all non-transit cases on proceedings reference number drop down list only if all of the below conditions are satisfied. Either inspection report or panchayat is uploaded on the system in response to the INS 01 issued by the BO officers in that case ID. BO officer has issued the INS 02 order from the system in that cases. In case of before issuance of so-called notice statement voluntary, the taxpayer select the before issuance of so-called notice statement voluntary cause of payment. The following message will be displayed, and click OK button. If the taxpayer select S button, the same DRC03 scheme will be visible with select as cause of payment. On selecting no, the free text field communication reference number will appear next to the payment date, and the first two character will be AD or ZD followed by 12 numeric characters and alphabet new characters. In the payment date filed, the date of payment will be auto put field. Error message: interfered communication reference number will be auto populated. Taxpayer entered the communication reference number in any other format. Communication reference number is a non-mandatory field, but if taxpayer fills this number, then the field attachments on the next page will be mandatory, in which the taxpayer is required to attach in supporting file. Select the appropriate option from the section number at drop down list with effect from 1st April 2025 onwards. Section 74 A subsection 8 and 74 A 9 will also be included in the list. Select the cause of payment from the respective drop down in the after list as after issuance of the SCN statement but before issuance of the order. Select the reference number from the SCN reference number drop down list, and issue date will be auto populated, and the amount will be auto populated from the selected reference number in the tax, says interest, penalty, fees and other fields. Taxpayer can make either partial or full payment. Taxpayer can file the DRC03 multiple times till the order in form DRC03 conclusion of the proceeding in form DRC035 is issued or case is closed, either whichever is earlier. When the taxpayer files a second or consecutive DRC03, balance amount of demand will be populated in the field tax, says interest, penalty or other in the editable mode. Taxpayer will not be able to enter the amount more than the amount populated in each component. If the taxpayer tries to do so, the following error message will be displayed on the screen. Where the demand amount has been fully paid for all the components, the values will be populated 0 and will be non-editable. For interest tax field, taxpayer will be able to enter an amount greater than the amount populated in the field or the amount mentioned in the SCN. Where excess amount has been paid for interest, the value of interest will continue to be populated as the 0 and will be editable. Taxpayer will be able to enter the SCN reference number manually even the issue date is beyond 30 days or 7 days, wherever it's applicable. Taxpayer will be able to do so till the full payment done or the order in form DRC03 or conclusion of the proceeding in form DRC035 is issued or case is closed, whichever is earlier. Taxpayer can make the payment in so-called notice issued under section 130 as well. After entering the amount in the demand, click on the this summary button. All the amount will be get populated, and all these are the procedures are given where how you can make the payment for your DRC03. So this is the procedure. If you want to make any procedure payment for the DRC03, you can refer all these sections and procedures. If you require, please make me a comment. I will just add it into the description box, and where you can download the full PDF format where you will find how to make the payment through DRC03 and how to navigate to the portal. Everything is already discussed in this PDF format. This if I going to read all this format, draft, the list and the procedures given in this PDF, it will be going to be the very big video. So I will not going to that. If you have any query on the particular item or particular point, then please let me in the comment. I will provide you or give you another session or video for which you have commented. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and let me know if you want any further videos on any topic. That is my pleasure. Thank you so much for this video, and have a good nice day.